William Shakespeare lived from 1564 to 1616 and he wrote 38 plays categorized into tragedies, comedies, historical plays, romances, or as they are sometimes called, the problem plays. Now let us know about the tragedies written by Shakespeare. The first tragedy written by Shakespeare was Titus Andronicus, written in 1594. The second was Romeo and Juliet, written in 1595, Julius Caesar, 1599, Hamlet 1603, Othello 1604, King Lear in 1606, Macbeth in 1606, Antony and Cleopatra in 1607, Coriolanus written in 1608, and Timon of Athens written in 1608. Now let us understand the important facts about some of his tragedies. Romeo and Juliet is Shakespeare's shortest tragedy. Hamlet is Shakespeare's longest tragedy. Macbeth is Shakespeare's bloodiest tragedy. Othello explores the theme of jealousy and racism, whereas King Lear explores the themes of power, aging, and madness. Most of the famous tragedies of Shakespeare were written during the reign of James I, that is, after the death of Queen Elizabeth in 1603. Now let us know about the comedies written by Shakespeare. The first comedy written by Shakespeare was The Two Gentlemen of Verona, written in 1590. Second was The Taming of Shrew, written in 1591. Third, The Comedy of Errors, written in 1592. Love's Labour Lost, 1594. A Midsummer's Night's Dream, 1595. The Merchant of Venice, 1596. Much Ado About Nothing in 1598, Twelfth Night in 1602, As You Like It 1603, and The Tempest written in 1611. Now let us get to know about the historical plays written by Shakespeare. Shakespeare wrote about the life of Henry VI, the King Henry VI, and he wrote these plays in three parts which were written from the year 1590 to 1591. Shakespeare also wrote Richard III in 1592, which describes the life of the King Richard III. Then he wrote Henry VIII in two parts, which published during 1613. King John was another historical play written by Shakespeare in 1596, and then Richard II in 1595. Then he wrote Henry IV in two parts, written in 1597 to 98, and Henry V in 1599. So these were some of the historical plays written by Shakespeare. Now let us come to the romances or the tragicomedies of Shakespeare. The first tragicomedy or romance written by Shakespeare was Pericles, Prince of Tyre, 1608. Then it was Cymbeline, 1610. Then The Winter's Tale in 1611, and lastly The Tempest, written in 1611. There is another category of Shakespeare's play which is also called as the problem plays by Shakespeare, and these all problem plays were written after the death of Queen Elizabeth, that is during the Jacobean era. The first problem play was Measure for Measure, written in 1604, which explores the theme of justice, morality, and corruption. The second problem play by Shakespeare was Troilus and Cressida, written in 1602. It deconstructs the legendary love story, presenting a bleak, cynical view of war and love. The third problem play by Shakespeare was All's Well That Ends Well, which was written during 1601 to 1605. This play raises questions about love, loyalty, and the social conventions governing relationships. All these three plays are called problem plays because these plays are based on exploration of gray areas between right and wrong. Now let us know about the major sources of Shakespearean plays or what motivated him to write many of his plays. The first play of Shakespeare that we are going to talk about here is Hamlet. Hamlet was inspired from Thomas Kyd's The Spanish Tragedy, as I told you in the discussion during the university wits. The second play is King Lear, which was inspired by Geoffrey of Monmouth's History of the Kings of Britain and Holinshed's Chronicles. These are the two sources for this play. The third play is A Midsummer's Night's Dream, which incorporates elements from Ovid's Metamorphoses. So it is an inspiration from Ovid's Metamorphoses. Another play, As You Like It, derives from Thomas Lord's novel Rosalind, which was written in 1590. So it became a source for As You Like It. The Tempest, influenced by Virgil's Aeneid and also Ovid's Metamorphoses, whereas The Winter's Tale derived from Robert Greene's Pen Dosto, written in 1588. Plutarch's Lives inspired Shakespeare to write his play, basically the Roman plays like Julius Caesar and Antony and Cleopatra. Boccaccio's The Decameron influenced the play The Two Gentlemen of Verona. Now let us discuss the major characters, themes and important quotes from some of the important plays written by Shakespeare, which are necessary for you to know from the exam point of view. First, Hamlet. The major central character in the Hamlet is the central character Hamlet itself. Then there is Claudius, Gertrude, Ophelia and Paulinus. Themes are of revenge, betrayal, madness, ambition and mortality. Famous quote is, to be or not to be, that is the question, which is spoken by Hamlet. Second quote is, something is rotten in the state of Denmark, which is spoken by Marcellus. Then there is another quote, neither a borrower nor a lender be, which is spoken by Polonius. Now let's come to the second important play by Shakespeare, and that is Othello. The major characters are Othello, Iago, Desdemona, Cassio and Amelia. The themes are of jealousy, deception, love, racism and trust. The important quotes from this play are, oh, beware, my lord, of jealousy. It is the green-eyed monster which does mock the meat it feeds on. It is spoken by Iago. I am not what I am is again a quote spoken by Iago. Now let's move to the another important play, that is King Lear. The major characters in King Lear are King Lear himself, then his daughters Goneril, Regan and the youngest Cordelia. Then there are other people like Edmund. Major themes are power, family, loyalty, aging and madness. Important quotes are, how sharper than a serpent's tooth it is to have a thankless child, which is spoken by King Lear in Act 1. Then there is another quote, I am a man more sinned against than sinning, which is spoken by King Lear in Act 3. Another quote, blow winds and crack your cheeks, rage blow, which is spoken again by King Lear in Act 3. Moving forward, let's discuss the play Macbeth. The major characters in Macbeth are Macbeth, his wife Lady Macbeth, Banquo, Macduff, Malcolm, etc. Important themes are ambition, guilt, prophecy, corruption and mortality. Famous quotes from Macbeth are, fair is foul and foul is fair, which is spoken by the witches. Double, double, toll and trouble, fire, burn and cauldron bubble, which is spoken by witches. Then there is a very important quote from Macbeth which goes like this, life's but a walking shadow, a poor player that struts and frets his hour upon the stage, which is spoken by Macbeth in Act 5, Scene 5. Moving forward, in Shakespeare's comedy As You Like It, the major characters are Rosalind, Orlando, Celia, Jacques, Touchstone, etc. And the major themes are of love, identity, exile, nature and social hierarchy. The important quotes from As You Like It are, all the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players. The second important quote from As You Like It is, the fool does think he is wise, but the wise man knows himself to be a fool. The third important quote from the same play is, men have died from time to time and worms have eaten them, but not for love. So these are some of the famous plays of Shakespeare and the important quotes and characters from these plays. Other plays and their important characters and themes goes like this. In the play A Midsummer's Night's Dream, there are major characters like Oberon, Titania, Puck, Hamartia, Lysander, etc. And the themes in this play are of love, illusion, identity, transformation, social hierarchy, etc. The next play which is of importance here is Twelfth Night, and major characters are Viola, Orsino, Olivia, Malvolio, Feste, and the themes are of love, identity, deception, social class, and melancholy. The another important play in this category is The Merchant of Venice, which has major characters like Bassanio, Portia, Shylock, Antonio, Jessica, and the themes are of love, money, prejudice, identity, and justice. The Tempest is another play which has famous characters like Prospero, Ariel, Caliban, Miranda, and Ferdinand, and the themes are that of power, identity, colonization, forgiveness, and redemption. So these were some of the plays by Shakespeare, and I have told you about the important characters from these plays and the themes of these plays and some of the important quotes which might come to you in the exam.